Morning and Assalamu alaikum 6th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying the online classes. Student, today is the Tuesday 20th April 2021. Today's our topic is time, rate and speed. Student, we have already done this complete chapter, reading of this chapter, time, rate and speed. Today we will do some important numerical problems related to this formula. As the speed is the distance traveled by an object in time, in specific time. So here I have written important formula for you, which is average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So this is the formula of average speed. If you have to find the answer of average speed, you will put this formula in the problem and you can easily solve any problem. So I have given you two numerical problems related to this formula. The numerical problem number 1 is a bus took 2 hours to travel from one terminal to another at an average speed of 40 km per hour. What is the total distance traveled by the bus? Here the question is about that a bus is traveling from one terminal to another terminal in 2 hours and the average speed of the bus is 40 km per hour. We have to find about the total distance traveled by that bus. So first of all we will write the data. Where data is about the points which is given in the question. So in the data we will write that total time traveled. The total time traveled is given as 2 hours. So we will write as 2 hours. Student, 2 hours means 2 multiplied by 60 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds, and this will be equal to 7200 seconds. This is just for your extra information. This is not the part of this question. If anyone asks you about that how many seconds are present in 2 hours, so you will multiply that digit with the minute and with the 60 seconds. So answer would be that 7200 seconds. Next is average speed. The given average speed is 40 km per hour and we have to find the total distance traveled by that bus. So distance traveled is equal to question mark. Next is its solution. How to solve this problem? We will write that as we know that average speed, by putting that formula we have studied before, which is average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So by putting the values we get the by rearranging the formula total distance, we will take the total time taken over here. So the formula will become total distance is equal to average speed multiplied by total time. By putting the values, everything is the given average speed is 40 km per hour and the given total time is 2 hours. By multiplying both, 40 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 80 km. So the answer would be 80 km. As the unit of the distance is kilometer, so we write the unit with the answer. If we are not gonna write the unit with the answer, then it would be wrong. So you have to write the unit along with the answer. So answer would be 80 km. Question number 2 is the distance of the earth from the sun is 149,000,000 km. The speed of light is 300,000 km per second. What is the time taken for the light to travel from sun to the earth? Students, so we have a data. We will write, first of all we will write the data. The given data is total distance taken from the question, speed of light mentioned in the question, given question, that is 300,000 km per second. Next is total time. We have to find the total time. So by writing the solution over here, as we know, the formula of speed we already studied. The formula of speed is equal to distance divided by time. Student, by rearranging the formula, as we have to find the time, so we will write the time over here, and by by taking the speed or on this side, we get the formula distance divided by speed. So by putting the values of distance and speed, we will get that this time is equal to, by putting the value, when we saw this values with the help of calculator, we get the value 496.6 second. So as the unit of time is second, so we write the second over here, and this is the answer of this question. So student, I have explained you two numerical regarding to the average speed. So your classwork is to write these two numerical problems in your copy, and your homework is to write it again, so to practice it. Thank you, students.